Studies show that spending time in nature can significantly enhance mental health. A recent study revealed that individuals who regularly engage in nature walks experience reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. The calming sounds of birds and rustling leaves help lower cortisol levels, promoting relaxation. Furthermore, these walks foster mindfulness, allowing individuals to connect with their surroundings and themselves. Embracing nature in daily routines can transform lives, creating a healthier mental state without complex interventions.